How to hide active status on Facebook Messenger. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'll be taking you through a step-by-step guide on how you can hide active status on your Messenger app. Let's just jump right in. First thing first, open up Messenger. Once you open up Messenger, you want to find the menu section at the bottom of your screen. Tap on it. On your menu section, you'll find your settings. Go to settings. Once you go to your settings, you can easily find Privacy and Safety tab. Tap on it. And then from there, you can easily find your activity status or active status. Go there. If this is turned off, you can just tap on it to turn on your activity status or your active status. If you want to turn it off, you can just toggle it again and change it to certain hours or until you change it. Tap on pause and you'll be good to go. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.